it's Mishi, and today I'm going to be doing a slime video. And I made my own slime. It's this purple slime. It's actually, guys, just a whole bunch of mixed up colors. It's purple color. It's a purple slime, a blue slime, and a red slime to make it this color. And guys, I added some foamy little balls from a pillow. And guys, it's super stretchy. And every time I just do that, foam balls come out.
So that means you should add some lotion. So, be right back.
Oh yeah. So we have this blue lotion. It smells bad. Okay, I'm just gonna just
Not all of it.
This is good. I'm just gonna mix that up over the
Your hands can get really messy from it.
Actually, your hands would stink. So I'm just gonna just.
Actually smells real good.
Yeah, it does. So look at the foam balls just coming out in my hands. It's so fun to play with. Okay.
Make it real stretchy.
Make it a little stretchy.
Okay, jeez.
This is my slime, guys. With the foam balls, I love it. And the foam balls give it texture, and it came from a red pillow. Don't you know those like little airplane pillows? That's what it came from, but smaller. You can get that probably from an airport or something, or a just a dollar store or something. So I hope you like this video. Comment down below. Bye guys. I hope you check out all my other videos, like my Claire's haul and my makeup tutorial and my morning routine for back to school. Hope you check out those videos. Hope you comment down below. I want to get like over 50,000 likes. Okay? Like 1,000 likes.
Oh, and by the way, if you don't see, this is a new area for changing. Like, she changed her recording area. That's still a recording area in her room, but she just changed it. Because she had to do her slime.
My recording area is not my room, it's everywhere.
It's basically, yeah. Alright, but bye guys.